Okay, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the left side wall frame, the third wall here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close the data panel here so we can see it. And then here this is where we left off from the backside window. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset the home view so it'll be turned around. Okay, there's a home view. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the left side back here. Actually, you should have just left it. So let's turn it around again because we need to go to the back. Okay, according to the view cube, this is the left side. I'm gonna go ahead and set it as home. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the left. So we're gonna draw, this is gonna be pretty straightforward. So this should be pretty quick. We're gonna do the bottom plate, 5 studs across, and then a top plate, okay? So on here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw on top of the subfloor and right next to that bottom plate from that side, okay? So I'm gonna create sketch, click on this stud here, click on this bottom plate here, 2-point rectangle. We're gonna go up 1.5. Then we're gonna go across 89 inches. I believe that's the dimension. Okay, finish sketch. Let's look at it. Okay, looks all right. Go in, going to left click inside the sketch, right click, extrude. Okay, operation new component. And then we're gonna go, looks like we're gonna go negative 3.5. Enter. So we have that block there just like that, okay? So as a new component, we're gonna go ahead and name it. This is gonna be our first component on the side. So this is gonna be the left wall, left side, bottom plate. It is a 2x4 by 89 inches. Okay. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of it just for contrast so you can see. This is how I like to see it. That way I can get the corners right. Let's make it green. Okay. See that? So now I can see that the corners all line up here. Okay. So now we're gonna do the studs. Okay, so I'm gonna go create component, create sketch. I'm gonna click on this wall here, 2-point rectangle, then right in this corner, we're gonna go up 80 inches and then across 1.5. Okay, finish sketch. I know I'm gonna extrude that out. New component. And then what direction is that going? We're gonna extrude out 3.5. See, nope, see, I went the wrong direction. So with that sketch, where'd it go? I'm gonna extrude. Negative 3.5. Okay, so there it is right there. It's in gray, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the physical component of it. Okay, also rename it. Left side stud. 2x4 by 80 inches high. Before I hit enter, I'm gonna go ahead and modify it. I'm gonna make it pine material so you can see that it is pine right here, just like this. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now we're gonna add, we're gonna use the mirror, we're gonna add 4 more here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, click on that stud. I'm gonna go to create and we're gonna do pattern just like we did with the bookcase. Rectangle pattern, we're gonna do 5 of these, including these that we just copied. I'm gonna put in 5, just like that, or right here. Okay, quantity 5, click on suppress. Right, this is the object. It's asking, this is the object, this first stud, the direction I'm going. I'm gonna click on here. And then we're gonna go all the way across 89, negative 890 is too far. Negative 85 is not far enough. I think it's negative 89. Nope, it's too far. 88. How about 87? Nope, 87.5. Okay. It's 89 minus 1.5 is 87.5. Okay, so now we have our 5 studs. Okay, so now we're just gonna draw the top plate. What we can do is go ahead and copy this one. So on here, left side bottom plate, I'm gonna go move copy, create copy. Let's go ahead and just bring it up, right? So 80 is not far enough, right? Because we're adding an inch and a half. So it's gonna be 80 plus 1.5 is 81.5. So it should fit perfectly just like that. And so now, since I made a copy, I'm gonna go double click and change this name because the top and the bottom is the same copy of each other. Okay, there we go. So now I just need to do the drawing. Okay, so here I'm gonna go design, drawing from design. And then here for this option, I'm gonna click on select. Okay, and then I'm just gonna click on A size, which is 8.5 by 11, but I'm gonna choose 11 by 8.5, almost a blank one. Okay, and it says here select. So I'm gonna select all 5 of the vertical studs and the 2 horizontal top plate, bottom plate. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in. I'm control button. I'm gonna carefully select just this stud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top plate and the bottom plate. Okay, this is what we need to print. All right, and if I can go okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so just everything just on the left side. Okay. And there we go. We're going to change the scale. Let's change the orientation to the left because we're looking at from the left, right? We're going to change the scale. I'm going to click on shaded with hidden edges. Now again, change the scale 1 inch to 1. Okay. And then I'm just going to place it right here. Hit okay. I'm going to double click in the title block. Delete that. Okay. So this is all we really need. So let's go ahead and dimension it. Make sure you dimension them so when you hand it off to your teammate, they can see the outer dimensions to scale divided by 12, right? 80 divided by 12. It's going to be 6 2/3. 89 divided by 12 is going to be what? Let's look here real quick. 89 divided by 12. That would be 7.4 inches. Okay, and then you want to dimension. Okay, these should be all even. We want to dimension these, right? Should be about 20-ish. Okay, I'm not going to be too concerned when you do your scale models. Okay, but this is just for reference when you actually build the scale models. Okay, and so since we don't have a title block here, I'm going to go ahead and click on text, insert a text box. Right, so this I'm just going to type in. This is the left side wall, 2 by 4. Okay, 4th. Just like that. Okay. Enter. All right. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and save it and then print it and for you to print it out.